welcome back to another vlog. I'm Brittany if you're new, and if you are a returning subscriber, what's up y'all? So this morning I'm just jumping right in this video. I just wanted to chime in really quickly and say, of course you read the title, but this morning is a AM morning husband and wife routine. Today is Saturday, and I just want to show you guys what we do normally around the fall time, when it starts to get cool, to get our morning started, our day started. So we have some other things that we're going to be doing today. I just decided I'm going to bring y'all along with me because guess what? We're family now, and that's what we do over here. We're going to head out to the coffee shop up the street. So we have a few places we need to go on our bikes. We're going to bring y'all along, show you guys what we do, and I hope you guys enjoy it. And let's hop right in.
Guys, she was afraid to vlog. She didn't want to fall. So I have to vlog for this Saturday morning. It's about, I don't know, about 7:30. We're going to the xoxo caffeine place that she went to the other day without me. So we're gonna ride the bikes up here. It's about 11 minutes away, so I can try it myself. And once we leave there, we're gonna ride the bikes to Publix, get some fruits and vegetables, and then back on to the house, and we'll get the rest of our day started.
So we are here. Mr. Daly finally gets to try out Soul Caffeine, and they're having a yard sale across the street. Y'all, I would love to live a little bit further down. It's so cute. How do you feel, honey? Mr. Daly,
What's up?
how do you feel?
Like I just rode a bike.
You feel like what?
I just rode a bike.
We're gonna go inside.
Thank you.
How do you like the place?
It's pretty nice.
Y'all know I wouldn't be right if I didn't talk about him. Tell me why he has on his coaching wear. When he wears this over here, he gets all the attention. There's a lady way across the street, way up ahead. Oh my gosh, I'm a fourth generation. What did she say, baby? What did she say?
Nothing.
Look at him, y'all. Turn your head around. Turn your head around.
No.
How does my cheeks look on the camera? Do they look flushed?
They look good.
I said, do they look flushed?
Yeah.
Y'all, we didn't drink no water today. We didn't have no apple cider vinegar. We just had to get a mini cup before we go back on our next ride.
Empty.
What is this to show? Okay. Never mind. We'll talk outside. I have nothing else to say. I look a hot mess. Take it off.
No, you don't. You look very beautiful.
I'm sweating. This is why I don't like being natural.
I like it because it's the real you.
Baby,
It's the real you.
So Ken got the sweater weather. It's vanilla and maple butter, I think. Did you read it? Or no?
Yeah, it's really good.
And then I got a red velvet latte. Baby, what did he say was in it? What did he say was in it? Real cream cheese, white mocha, a whole lot of
stuff.
Whole lot of. Oh my gosh.
It's good. She was like, those people are snobs. She was like, I'm just being real. She was like, when I was a little girl, I literally wore a princess crown to school every single day. She said that's all she wanted to do. She said, but I was always nice to people. She said, you're not lying.
I said, the people who show all of them shop at the same place. They wear the same shoes.
We are going to go next to Publix. We'll have to come back and get our watermelon because someone lost my other bags.
That watermelon is not fitting my bags here.
Baby, you could have made it work. Unless you think it could fit in here and then you put the stuff in yours?
Yeah, I can hold the bags here.
Oh, we can put them on the side. Okay. Publix we go. Mr. Daly was trying to get another. He just do too much.
I'm a real coffee drinker, bro.
I mean, I am too, but they don't.
I love coffee. I've been drinking coffee since I was 5.
Who cares?
5 years
Y'all
old.
see how he low-key brag. He's so
real coffee drinker right here. And to that person that said coffee is not water, coffee is water. It's made of water.
Girl, you was right.
You can't drink coffee without water, right?
Girl.
I did. Yeah.
Girl, you was right. Don't listen to him. You know us women, we have to keep them knowledgeable because they swear they smarter than
Facts
us.
is in the pudding, man.
Anywho, when you watch this video, go ahead and comment and get on his neck, please.
Hey, it's all love, though.
To say you love.
Whoa.
It's hard for me to say you love.
So y'all, we have made it to Publix.
It's
This is the one that is like 2 minutes away from home. Ken is about to tie our bikes up. We're just going to get fruits and vegetables. I use these face wipes because your girl is sweaty. We'll see you guys once we get inside of the store.
Good morning.
Hey. Yeah, we can just get a small one.
Well, there's no food. There you are down there.
No, come on. You got time to talk. Hey, I didn't that watermelon so big. Oh, you sure we want that one?
Yeah.
Baby, what is these? Moon drops. Moon drops. What do you think? Look at them. They look like grapes that got shot up. Look how big they are. Come on in. Look at the watermelon. I ain't never had this big. The busted one.
Yeah, let's try it. Gotta do a recipe we'll try. Help me pick out a good one, though. Help me pick out a good one.
So guys, we have our bags. We're gonna come back and get the watermelon later. We are about to head home to the kiddos. Y'all, I love this shopping center. I don't know if y'all can see it. It might not be clear. But that is Monster Coffee over there. The nail shop that I go to. We've been to Simple Greek. And I will talk to y'all once we get home. Y'all, I know I look a mess. But it is 10:19 back home. All 3 of the kids are awake. I'm about to cook them breakfast. And y'all, I forgot to give y'all a quick little Publix haul. We just got, don't mind all the clutter, but we got strawberries, blueberries, grapes. Y'all, look how big the blueberries are. They had some bigger ones, but I just use this for my parfait. And then Ken makes like a fruit bowl every morning. Grapes, which are Kenzo's all-time favorite. I got a slice of tomatoes, oranges. Look how big these oranges are. huge. Lettuce for salad. And Ken also wanted to get these like juicy carrots.
Meanwhile.
Let me say here, leave you dead. I know my. We make hot as all the runners. Get up out the way.
Stepped off the golden. Nobody cried. Nobody even noticed. I saw them standing right there. Kinda thought they might care. I had a dream. I had a dream. I got everything I wanted. You wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you.
Yeah. Kendi is getting a unicorn face paint. And Kenzo, what are you gonna get? Spider-Man. Yeah.
He gonna look. Oh my god.
Girl, sit back. Let him do his.
Red. It's red.
Y'all look at Mr. Daly. Baby, do it again, baby.
It looks better than mine. Don't touch. Dad, what's that mean?
Come on, go in front of me. Oh my gosh, what is that smell? It smells so good. You see the school bus? Come on. Hey, baby. They have infused slushies right there. Wonder what it's infused with. What is it? Right here, $1.50. Right there. Get your drink.
A lot of boats moving over there.
It don't matter, whatever they want to get.
Daddy, this tastes better with the cake.
Yeah.
So y'all, we finally sitting down. I got a chicken burrito. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Ooh, baby, this is your type of burrito, and you know they know how to wrap it. Super thick.
I want my
Kimrick got the same. He's recording now for his teacher. Son, don't look at me like that. Baby, let me see you take the first bite. I gotta zoom in.
watch that.
That's it, take it. Oh, he tried to eat cute because he knew it was getting recorded. It's good, baby. Sissy and Kenzo got hot dogs because y'all know they don't. Sissy is in a funk right now. I don't know what's her problem, y'all. She's a beautiful unicorn and she's just... What hurt, sweetie?
So guys, I'm a Spider-Man.
You're the most handsome Spider-Man I've ever seen. How is it, Kendrick? Well, he got a mouthful. He can't say nothing. How is it, y'all? Is it better than ours?
Probably.
You don't like it? What it tastes like? Oh. But we're gonna chow down, and I will see you guys in a sec.
You gotta eat your food first. Which one was it?
The Los Serapes that does the Korea tacos.
Yeah.
Black stripe.
Yeah.
First one over by the fence. That's flaming pepper. That guy is fabulous. She is actually the woman that was
No, don't do that.
I'm gonna get the coffee.
Taste
We
it,
were
what it
actually
tastes
about
like.
to try that. That's the first one we walked through.
We just left cones and cups and cones. I got the pineapple snow cone with cream in it. Ken got the milkshake per usual. The little ones got ice cream, and then Kenrick got, what did Kenrick get?
I got a cone and ice cream.
A Tutti Frutti. It's over there. Probably not gonna be able to see it. I hope you enjoyed spending your Saturday with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.